Our project is
solar power bank from e-waste.
In 2020, approximately 173 million laptops were shipped around the world. While this may sound impressive, we have to take into consideration what happens to those old devices once they are replaced with a new model. The impact of throwing away old devices versus reusing them has consequences beyond reducing e-waste in landfills.
by using a circular approach with laptops, we can create a sustainable model that impacts individuals, organizations, and communities everywhere. The circular economy is the opposite of the current take, make, dispose of linear economic model of materials and products that put strain on our current resources.
A circular economic model is regenerative by intention and design. It replaces the end of life concept with restoration. The shift to reuse old devices or parts of old devices reflects a circular approach by reducing waste and giving electronics a longer lifespan. Unfortunately, a majority of our old electronics don't get reused and end up in landfills.
We have tried to address this problem through a cost-efficient solar power bank. During the pandemic, schools closed and classes shifted to the online mode. While some students welcomed the move and quickly embraced, many students in our country lost out on education. One of the reasons was the lack of electricity, not to mention other reasons such as lack of internet connectivity and lack of smartphones. Even in case where smartphones were available, many students faced problems to charge their phones as there was no electricity.
Through our solution, we wish to address the dual problem of lack of electricity and reducing our carbon footprint by reusing e-waste. So, we have designed a cost-efficient solar power bank. Our prototype is cost-efficient as it is made from e-waste and it can recharge one smartphone, two basic phones and some other devices.
Our power bank charges using a solar panel of 6 volts. It can also be charged using a normal phone charger if there is electricity. The batteries recovered from the laptop are of capacity 15,000 mAh.
This is very efficient and durable for people where electricity is unavailable or costly. 80% of our solar power bank is made out of e-waste. It is built out of three essential units that are solar panel, voltage regulator and power saving unit.
The beneficiaries of our project are students who have access to a smartphone but do not have access to a regular power supply.
By using our solar power bank, students can charge their phones and continue to access online classes.
Thank you.